Today is 5th January 2023, and I'm going to conduct your Oxford, which is also known ELLT or OIETC speaking module. So are you ready for that? Are you ready for that?
Yes, good, yes. You can start.
That's great.
Yes, sir, you can start. I'm good, sir.
Okay, that's fine. So there are 4 sections in this part. The first one is introduction, the second one is presentation, and the third one is essay, the essay which you have written. I'll be asking you some question regarding date, and also there is 4th section which I'll be showing the picture and you will be describing there. So in the first part, my name is Mr. Rose. Could you please tell me your full name? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Now it's good.
All right. So could you please tell me your full name?
Yes, my full name is Abbas Ali.
All right. Do you have any nickname?
Yeah, like my family members and my friends call me Abbas.
All right. So what
You
should I
can call
call
me
you?
to that. You should call me Abbas. Yeah, that's simple.
All right. That's great. Abbas, where are you from?
Actually, basically, I'm from Urban. It's a city of northwest frontier province in Pakistan.
All right. That's great. Could you please show me your identity card? No need to show me. Can you please show me the room?
Yeah, I can show you, of course, the room.
Can you
Is
show
it
me?
fine?
Can you show me the room again?
Yes, of course. Why not?
All right. That's great. Thank you.
Okay.
All right. So you are given the presentation and you were given the presentation while you were booking, you were speaking, so you need to start.
Okay.
You can start.
Should I start?
Yes, you can start.
Okay. Actually, the topic of my presentation is the role of spiritual practice in one's life. So it has been argued that engaging in spiritual practice as a child or adolescence, it's actually boost or a buffer. It's actually against the adverse effect of health, and it has a lot of well-being effects on your health. Moreover, people think about it has its advantages and disadvantages. I will justify both of them, and will conclude my presentation in the end. Actually, people who are against such a stance, they don't think that spiritual practice is that much beneficial in one's life, because as the atheist community is growing fastly in the world, it is a little bit difficult for people to express their spiritual activities or their uh, their spiritual practices in the public, cause a lot of your friends or peers or co-workers, they try to bully you on that cause. It has become like an odd concept in the modern world. One of the it is one of the disadvantage of spiritual practice in the new world. Moreover, if you there are some have rules and regulation and limitations of the being spiritual. Like you have to be forbidden from a few things, like you don't eat a pig meat. Well, if you are spiritual, or you are in a close relation with Islam, and you can't drink alcohol in many of the religions of the world, if you are following that. So and you have to follow such certain customs or traditions, like you have to dress a specific, you have a specific code of dressing, or in some religions, on a specific occasions. So that's become like a bit difficult for some people to follow. So these are the few disadvantages of being spiritual, or following the spiritual activities in your childhood. And moreover, it has advantages too, like every thing which has everything has pros and cons. So the pros, if I can say, so one of the benefit which the spiritual activities give you a mind satisfaction, irrespective which religion you are following, what are you, in which part of the world you live. If you are attached and well close to a certain religion, or spiritual activities, you will have a lot of mind satisfactions. Moreover, like you have your personality get developed by the time, really good. Like you are not depressed in your younger age, such as like the normal people. The spiritual people are more calm. They're more calm than the normal people. So I think these are the benefits, the few benefits. Like it's help in building in your personality.
That's great. That's great. You presented the topic very well. Now we would be moving to the third part, which I'll be asking you a few questions regarding the essay which you have written in your writing task. So the first question
Okay.
about the vocabulary which you have used in your writing is inspirer. What is the meaning of inspirer?
Inspire is actually like, you get inspired from someone, like the inspire which ignite you, which give you some ignition, like your role model. That's the best answer I can.
All right. Another word you have used in your essay is significant. So what is the meaning of significant?
Significant is enough. I think enough is the best meaning for that.
All right, that's great. Another word which you have used in your essay is influencer. So what is the meaning of influencer?
An influencer is like who exert or influence you, like who influence, like what can I say about the influencer? Like whom you follow, and who you influence, who you you know like take on your mind. So that's, I think it's
All right,
influencer.
that's great. Another word which you have used is persuasive. So what is the meaning of, pervasive?
Pervasive, spreading widely to an area, or or a group of people. That's like spreading widely.
All right, that is fine. Another word which you have used is develop. What is the meaning of develop?
Can you repeat the word?
Develop. You have used in your essay develop. What is the meaning of develop?
Develop.
Yes.
Is that the word? Develop?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, develop. It simply means to make something. Yes.
All right, that's great. That's great. Now, can you please tell me, do you want to become an influencer or a creator, content creator?
Yeah, I can I think the content creator do not have such an influence like motivational speaker on the stage or something like that. I don't want to be like that. Because I have seen a lot of the motivational speakers or the such an influencer, they're not such realistic. They, just to make some money or bucks, uh, they present in unrealistic things, and so that's not the way. Like I don't like that. I
Okay,
don't
that's
want
great.
to.
And what do you
Yeah.
think about those people who working as influencer? Do they influence people positively or negatively?
Mm, Surely in Pakistan, the Indian not positively motivating the people. Like they are to motivate them because they're not realistic. I think there should be a proper process to be so the person can go through to become a motivational speaker or to become an influencer, rather than to, like, if you have some, get a fame on TikTok or some social media platform and you become an influencer. That's not the way. That's not the way which I think should influencer come to our societies.
All right, that's great. Now we are moving to the last part where I'll be showing you the picture and you are supposed to have discussion on those pictures. So let me show you.
Okay.
Let me show it to you. And here we go.
Yeah, I can see that.
You have 20 seconds to get yourself ready.
Okay, you can ask. I'm good with that.
Okay, start presenting it. Have discussion over it. So you can start.
As per my perspective, I think these are the two, old friends, and they're sitting in the park and they're discussing or gossiping with each other, enjoying the weather. And it's maybe they may be probably their like childhood friends because they are smiling in a very good mood.
Okay, so the
And
question which I'm gonna ask you is that, what do you think that where are they looking? Or
I
what
think
are they
I think
laughing at?
they are. They might have some joke or something is happening in their front in the front of them, like
Mhm.
there may be children playing something or someone passing by them.
Mhm.
They may be laughing at that, or they may have a joke in between themselves.
All right, and what do you think about their dress? And also, what do you think about the weather? What kind of weather is there?
Yeah, I think the weather is chilly, and it may be in the Europe or something like England. Like they have dressed as like the old British type of dressing code they have been on their bodies. So I think, and the weather is chill. I think then in that area.
All right, that's great. It was very nice talking to you and have a session with you. Now you will get your result within 48 hours on your consent email. Thank you, Mr.
Okay.
Abbas. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Have a good night.